Hi, it's Bill the Handyman. Today we're looking at a roper. It's going to be a Whirlpool design similar to many Kenmores. There's actually some Maytags that are just like this. It's basically a direct drive machine. And so as we close the door, we don't hear the noticeable click that we normally should hear for the lid switch on this particular one. And so if you stick something down there, you should hear a click when you push this in. And we don't hear the click. So that means to me that it's a 90% chance that this lid switch is going to be bad. So it doesn't actually feel like it's sloppy, but normally it will click. When the lid goes down on it and this tang is pressed, it should click, and we don't hear any clicks. So that indicates to me that this lid switch is shot, and that's why it won't spin. So if this lid switch is shot, basically your machine will start and agitate, and when it comes to the rinse cycle, it will not spin out, because this switch basically locks the spin cycle. It's a safety mechanism. If that switch is not working, your machine will not spin. So that's your tip for today. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. appliance-works.webs.com.